What's up? This your girl,
Damn Danny
and
LAPHIA.
And we out here
in motherfucking
East
Carolina. Throw your shit up. Throw your shit up.
Throw that shit up. East side, East Carolina. Yeah, so like today we was on the bus or whatever.
The motherfucking safe ride.
Okay, I said the bus, but the safe ride. And then this bitch was in there, like, she was like, what was she like, Daniel?
She was like, yo, they be suspending the drivers until the end of the semester.
Yeah, semester. And I was like,
what the fuck is a semester?
What's a semester? Semester. Okay.
ER.
Duly
noted.
And so, like, we was like, bitch, that's not how you say it. And then she got mad. She was like, get the fuck out of the safe ride.
And I was like, bitch,
gladly, motherfucker. And then, so she was like, yeah, get out. And we was like, no, we not gonna get out. And then, like, to get on her nerves, we just started playing this song. Cause this is my shit.
Bust it. You're saying like
bounce that ass, shake that ass like the truck.
We're dancing like white girls, but we ain't white. We ratchet out here. Like that's
whatever your fucking side is, throw that shit the fuck up. Rep your
East side, bitch. We from East Carolina University. ECU. Wait, no, white people do that.
I ain't done with you, baby. Bring that ass back. Still got 20, still got 50s, even got them hundreds.
Bow. What the fuck are you doing, Cookie?
Drop it to the floor, make that ass clap. Let me see you bust it.
How am I gonna do like?
Bust it. On them stacks, OMG, SMH when I'm on that stage. Paul Rose ain't on her ass. A round of applause, let me pop that pussy. Drop it down for me, girl, do a split. Do you smoke, girl, got a zip. White remote, who won it?
Now let's dance like that boy in the club.
Demon, every word I say is slurring. Vision man is blurring. Drunk too much liquor. Drunk too much weed.
Now pull the fucking hair. Come here, girl.
Strip club, shawty, I'm a big zipper. 200, then I pulled out my zipper. Shawty said she love me, then she wanna be my crew. Squad, niggas know we go hard. Round of applause, baby, make that leg clap. Drop it to the floor, make that leg clap. Round of applause, baby, make that leg clap. Drop it to the floor, make that leg clap. Let me see you bust it, bust it. Bust it, baby, drop it to the floor. Bust it.
So like,
Pause that shit.
that's how we made her mad. And then she was like,
Get the fuck off.
She was like, get the fuck out of here with that shit.
And you want to know what I said?
What the fuck
I
did you
said
say?
gladly, motherfucker.
Gladly.
What?
This bitch. Okay, so on my wall or whatever, like, I wrote bienvenidos to our fucking room and shit. And this bitch was like, BNF sausage. Like,
yo,
she really
are we
didn't
in
know how to
Mexico?
say it.
Oh.
Am I Mexican?
Oh. So why are you talking fucking Spanish? Da-da-da.
Anyway.
Bitch, I can move
So. yeah, like, we just wanted to let y'all know that, like, we fucking ratchet up the ass. Like, that's just who we are.
Out the ass, aka the
Like,
shit, nigga.
But we kinda, like, some pretty, like, ratchet bitches. But we still ratchet. Because it's crazy out here. In ECU. In fucking G Vegas. This bitch.
G-Ville.
You know, we got ratchet ass white people out here too. So
For real, like these white girls, crazy as fuck.
Crazy as fuck. Bitches always running down my hallway drunk and shit. Like, bitch, get in your damn bed.
Calm your hyper.
Quit waking me up. I mean, I be doing that shit sometimes too. But when I'm asleep, don't fucking wake me up.
It's no need.
And I'm sick as fuck, y'all, so. Ignore
Okay,
that.
this is done.
Okay, yeah, so it's Sophia. We're done being ratchet. Oh, wait. No, that was Let's Get Ratchet number 1. We got more coming soon. Bye.